Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. Who you think did give Jesus the right and the power to do the sitting them where him did do? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, do it now. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on. Right, so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 21 from verse 23 to verse 27. Now, after Jesus they go back in the yard where God house there, when he did that teach, the head priest and the elder for the people them come to him. Them ask him say, what right you have for do them sitting here? And who give you the right for do them? So Jesus answer back. Make me ask you one question. If you not answer me will tell you no, who give me the right for do them sitting here? When John did baptize people, who did send him to do it? God or man? So then start work it out amongst them one another. Hear them now? If we say a God, he might go act with say, then we make uno never believe him. But if we say a man, the crowd of people now we turn down pan we, cause the whole of them take John for one profit. We afraid that go happen. So them said to Jesus, say, we don't know. So Jesus said to them, say, then me not tell you no, who give me the right for doing sitting here neither. A God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box.